Erica with the Beauty Buff, and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below and let me know. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose, get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, taking a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you some summer short sets. I'm going to be styling them up, showing you a way how to, elevate your shorts, how to make them more chic. A lot of people don't wear shorts because they think they're more like loungewear or more understated or not as chic as, maybe dresses or pantsuits. But you can also elevate a short set. Here in Florida, it's extremely hot. We love to wear shorts. So in this video, I just wanted to share with you some inspiration on how you can elevate the short sets in your wardrobe, or how you can make them look, more chic. So I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so this first outfit I am loving. Yes, I know it may look a little racy to some, but I think it looks absolutely amazing. I love that the biker shorts are high-waisted, so you don't see much midriff. You have the shirt that actually comes down, the crop top, that can actually go just above the biker short, so you're not showing that much skin. It kind of looks like an all-over bodysuit. So with this outfit, I purchased it from Something by Sunjia in the Monroe Steele collection. I think it's sold out right now. You can go on her site to see, but it is actually a lovely short set. It's very comfortable. It has like that rippling in it, that front seam down the shorts and the shirt. And then it just fits really well. Although they're biker shorts, they're not like hugging, like extremely tight. They are, form-fitting, but they're not like choking me or choking my thighs. So I really like this outfit. I did throw on a pair of Madden pumps with it. So some of you are like, I'm not going to go out in that. That just looks like a bit much. So I'm going to show you how you can elevate this short set and make it a little bit more chic, okay? Alright, beauty, so I just paired this short set with a blazer that I purchased from Boohoo years ago. I have this Steve Madden clutch that actually matches the shoes. So this is how you can make this biker suit, or this, form-fitting biker shorts and crop top, look more chic or more, sophisticated. This I could wear to dinner, out with my husband. I could actually wear this to brunch with some girlfriends. I just think it actually, just made it look more elevated, more put together, maybe less racy for some of you. But right now, all you're showing is leg and arms. So this is kind of like, say if you had on a like pencil skirt or something like that. That's kind of what the shorts remind me of. And then you just have on a nice blazer. So that is this outfit. So let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. Do you still think it looks a little too racy for you? Or do you think this is something that you could actually wear like out to dinner or to brunch with your girls? But I think it looks more sophisticated now with the blazer over it. Even though I would wear it, maybe in Miami out like I had it before. But the blazer actually, makes it much more chic, more upscale. Alright, beauty, so this is the second way I would elevate a short set. I just have on these paperbag shorts from Pretty Little Thing. I have on a Skims bodysuit, and then I just have this Zara Cover Up. I paired it with my TJ Maxx Bottega dupe. It's a purse. And then I have on my Bottega sandals. But I am loving the way this outfit came together. I love the color, the coral, and then it's toned down with the white and the cream with the Bottega. And then you have the coral and the cover up. I just think it looks very chic, very elevated. So let me know down in the comments what you think about it. This you can wear to a brunch. You can wear it to like an early dinner. You can wear it out if you want to. I just see myself on South Beach or somewhere in Miami wearing this outfit. You're not showing a lot of skin. You just have your legs showing. Your arms and everything are covered up. When you're trying to, you know, have a chic look, less is more. So you want to show less skin, but you are allowed to show some skin. You know what I mean? Like your legs. If you want to cover it up and do more, you can button it up, and then you'll just have that, you know, that peep toe effect, or that, you know, that slit. But I just think it looks cute open. So this is the second outfit. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. So these shorts are kind of short and they're high-waisted. You can go with a longer short if you want to, like the Bermuda style, but it's totally up to you. Alright, beauty, so this is the third way you can chic up a short set. I just have on these white Bermuda shorts from H&M, and then I have a blazer on. I purchased this, I'm pretty sure, from like Asos. I have a Skims bodysuit on. I have my Bottega Lido Mules, and then just a bag from Michael Kors. So this is just like the epitome of chic. You have neutral tones, you have white for the summer, you have a blazer, very simple look, but yet very elevated. So this I could see if you're going to lunch, say on a boat somewhere, you're going to be like out in the heat, but you have that breeze going on, so you may be a little cool, maybe a little too cool just to wear this Skims. So you throw your blazer over there, and then as the sun goes down, it gets cooler on the water, and then you just have your blazer on. You're sipping your, you know, champagne, or you're sipping your wine. So that's how I picture this outfit. I just kept it simple with the accessories. I just have on these chain earrings and a chain necklace, a simple cuff bracelet, and then my Michael Kors watch. Alright, beauty, so this is the fourth way that I would elevate a pair of shorts. So these are the same white shorts that I wore previously in with the blazer. I love these shorts. These are my favorite shorts in my wardrobe right now. I purchased them from H&M. I think they were maybe like $20 at the most, maybe $30, but they're so versatile. I just have on a white and black bodysuit with the ruffles around here. I have on black shoes, a black purse, and gold accessories. And this right here just looks very chic to me. This is like a brunch look. You go out with your girls, or if you want to go to lunch with your husband, your bae, your mate, whoever it is, then this is the look for you. So it's chic and effortless. It's black and white. It's a classic. You're covered. You have long shorts on. They come just above the knees. So I just think this is a really chic outfit. Very put together. So let me know down below, are you loving the outfits thus far? I have one more outfit to go, and then I just want you to rate them down in the comment box. Let me know from 1 to 5, 1 being your best, your favorite outfit, which did you like. So just 1 through 5, just put the outfits below, which was your favorite, so I'll know. Alright, beauty, so this is the final way that I would elevate a short set. It's just a cord set. It's the blazer and the shorts. I purchased this from New York & Co. over a year ago, but great quality. Haven't had any issues with it. It looks great on. The fit is really good. I just paired it with my Dooney and Bourke purse. This is a red top from Zara, and my Steve Madden red Mules. This is also something you can wear out on a lunch date. You can wear it shopping. You can wear it various places if you want to. I do enjoy the pop of red in this outfit. For those who don't really like color, you can put white on and it'll look really crisp. But for me, I enjoy color, so I don't mind the pop of red in this outfit. So let me know down below, what do you feel about this outfit? I know the satchel is kind of big, but I just love the gray and white against the gray and white, and then just letting the red shirt and the red shoes pop. So alright, beauty, so that wraps up the video today on how to elevate short sets or how to make them more chic. I hope you enjoyed the different styles that I put together for you. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration. Just to let you know that shorts aren't always loungewear. Shorts aren't always like underdressed. You can wear any of those outfits, you know, out to lunch, out to dinner, you know, out to just an elegant, say, day party or something like that. Not saying that, you know, many of those are going on right now, but just to let you know that shorts can have a place in your wardrobe. So you can dress them up, you can dress them down however you like. They're comfortable, you can be cool in them, they're breezy. Usually the material is very like thin, flowy, not really tied up against your skin. But for those of you who enjoy shorts, you can go on any of those sites. I've showed you New York & Co. I've showed Zara. I've showed Asos. I showed Black on Brand. So any of those sites you can go on and find you a pair of shorts and just style it up. Don't be scared to wear shorts. Don't be scared to show your legs, you know. In the summer, I feel like legs are meant to be shown. You have all fall and winter to cover up. So in summertime, let your body breathe. Let your, you know, let your legs show. Let your arms show. Show a little bit of skin. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Please remember to spend some time with God as well. And I hope to see you in my next video.